Hello everyone. Welcome today on Sunday. Yes, Sunday, July the 11th, 2021. We don't receive any newspaper on Sunday, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, July the 10th, 2021. There are 3 puzzles left in this additional. The first one is a letter Sudoku. Second one, a 2-star Sudoku. And the third one, a tectonic with 1 star. I will do first the letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku, yes. And this one will be a number 3080. 3080. And the letter Sudoku has always 27 printed digits. Not digits, but letters. The letters are the M, the I, the A, the E, the K, the Z, U, P, R. Alright, and the goal is to find this word. Alright, so let's get started. I believe there are 27 printed digits, letters. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright. Let me scan. We have an E in this last column, an E in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 boxes left for the E should be here or there. We see then E, no E there. E should be here. E in this row, E in the middle a row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the E should be here or there. We see there E, no E there, E should be here. E in this column, E in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the E should be here or there. We see there E, no E there. E should be here. And then I cannot continue with the E. 3 missing letters in this third column. Those missing letters, 2 of those missing letters are the A and the R. In this big square, we have an A and an R, so no A and an R in this box. The A and the R should be in those 2 boxes as a pair, A and R. We see here an A, no A there, A should be here, and the R goes there. 1 letter is missing in this third column. For the letter P, the P is missing, yes, missing. Alright, I see here the U in the third column, U in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the U should be here or there. We see then U, no U there, U should be there. Alright. Then 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the letter, the missing letter is a K. We see here the K in the second column, so no K in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the K should be there. Alright. E in this row, E in the row below. So last row, the only place for the E should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letter P and the A. We see here an A. No. We already have an A. The P and the I. The P and the I. P-I. P-I. All right. All right. E in the third column, E in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the E should be there. And all the E's are used. I can see. Letter E, okay. K in this row, K in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the K should be there. 2 letters are missing in this big square for the letter A and the Z, the R. The R, yeah. The A and the R. A, R. Alright. So we have an A in this column, A in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the A should be here, here, or there. We see there ain't no 8 there, here and ain't no 8 there. The only place for the A should be there. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Look, we have a pair in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters. 2 of those missing letters are the K and A. We have a K and A in this column, so no K and A in those 3 boxes. We have a K and A in this first row, so no K and A in these 3 boxes. The K and A goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, K and A. We see here an A, no A there. A should be here and a K should be there. Alright, so we have a K in this first row, K in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the K should be here or there. We see there K, no K there. K should be here. Alright. K in the last column, K in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the K should be here or there. We see there K, no K there. K should be here. K in the last row, K in that row. So the row between, the only 3 places for the K should be here, here or there. We see here K, no K there. Here K, no K there. The only place for the K should be there. And all the K's are used. I can see. Letter K. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters. One of the missing letters is an U. We see here U, no U in these 3 boxes. There U, no U in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the U should be there. So we have a U in this column, U in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the U should be here or there. We see there U, no U there. U should be there. U in the first row, U in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the U should be there. And all the U's are used. I can see. Letter U. Yes. Alright. Z. 2 letters are missing in the second row. Those letters are the Z and the M. The Z and the M. We see here this Z, no Z there. Z should be here and the M goes there. Alright. 1 letter is missing in this big square. For the letter M, yes. Alright. Alright. 2 letters are missing in the second column. For the letters R and P. No, we have the P here. The A, yeah, the A. The R and the A. So we have a pair here. Okay. So we have a P in this row, P in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the P should be there. Two letters are missing in this big square. Those letters are the Z and the I. Z and the I. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here, and the Z goes there. One letter is missing. No. 2 letters are missing. The R and the A. R and the A. We have an A there, no A there. A should be here, and the R goes there. One letter is missing in this big square for the letter R. This is the A, okay. Now we have an R there, so this box cannot be an R anymore. That box should be an R, and this box should be an A. Okay, 2 letters is missing in this row for the letters A and M. We have an A there, no A there. A should be here, and the M goes there. Okay. And all the A's are used. I can see letter A. 2 letters are missing in this big square for the letters Z and I. Z and I. 2 letters are missing in this column for the letters M and Z. M, we have an M here, no M there. M should be here, and the Z goes there. We have a Z in this column, Z in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the Z should be there. Z in this row, Z in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the Z should be there. Now we have a Z here, so this box can't be Z anymore. That box should be a Z, and that box should be an I. Z in the last column, Z, and the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the Z should be here or there. We see there's Z, no Z there. Z should be there, and all the Z's are used. I can see letter Z. Alright. 2 letters are missing in this column. The letters M and R. M and R. We have an M there, no M there. M should be here, and the R goes there. So we have an R in this last column, R in that column. So the column between, the only place for the R should be there. 1 letter is missing in this column. Rap music. Yes, the I. If you translate this Dutch word, rap music, it's rap music, yes. 1 letter is missing in this big square for the letter I. 1 letter is missing in this row for the letter I. 1 letter is missing in this big square for the letter R. Two letters are missing in this big square for the letters M and M and no M. We have an M here, so no M there. M should be here, and the P. The P is missing. Yes, P P P. All right. Two letters are missing. The P and I. P and I. Here also P and I. P and I. One letter is missing in this last row for the letter I. We have an I here, so this box can't be an I anymore. That box should be an I, and this box should be a P. Two letters are missing in this big square for the letters P and R. Yes, we have a P there, no P there. P should be here, and R goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. All right. Great letter Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. A 2-star Sudoku. Yes. See you then. Bye bye for now.